Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. As new parents who have only experienced the beauty and excitement being a parent for the past 4 months, Robert and Lisa began to think about their child's future. In fact, they have been thinking about it since they were still in their wombs. But it has only been a few months since the stuffs have felt real and must be realized immediately. With their current financial condition, they are aware that they have to start planning the best things for their children carefully from an early age. One of which is preparing for future education. It has become the dream of every parent. One day, their child can have a good and high education. Having a high level of education is believed to be able to help someone achieve their goals and improve their standard of living. To get a good and high education, Andy and Siska are aware that they have to pay a lot of money. In addition to inflation that will continue to exist, the cost of education also continues to rise every year. Besides that, the education period also takes a long time, starting from kindergarten, elementary school, junior high school, senior high school, to college. Aware of this, a part of preparing education saving, Andy, as the backbone of the family, also prepare education insurance. Because we never know how long we can accompany our children. With education insurance, if one day there is a risk of death or other unwanted risk befalling the breadwinner, which in this case is Andy, education insurance will ensure that the child's education costs are still protected and the child can still continue his education because there are benefits from education insurance. This education insurance can start from the time the child is born until the age of 17 years old, with the main target being 0 until 10 years old. Like Andy, the sooner you start, the greater the benefit you can get. In general, there are currently 2 types of children education insurance. First, endowment insurance and unit-linked education insurance. Both are different in terms of interest or investment returns. Endowment education insurance is a combination of life insurance plus money market instruments such as deposits that provide a definite value for investment results. Meanwhile, unit-linked education insurance is a combination of life insurance and mutual fund instruments whose results are volatile. Therefore, before making a choice, it is important to know in advance the extent of the education cost needed. Take into account the registration fee or entry fee, monthly school fees, book fees, transportation fees, and other from entering school to graduation. After that, calculate the premium that you can afford not to disturb the family's financial condition, and the premium payment gets stuck in the middle of the road. The next step is to choose an insurance company that suits your needs and abilities. Choose carefully so that there are not regrets in the future. You can get education insurance at branch offices of life insurance companies against of life insurance companies that have agency certificate from the Life Insurance Association. Websites of life insurance companies and various other distribution channels that have collaborated with life insurance companies. Choose an insurance company that has been registered and supervised by the Financial Services Authority. No less important when filling out and signing the purchase form for insurance product, fill in the completely, honestly, and clearly. For example, many people incorrectly enter the name of the insurance with the name of the child, even though it should be filled with your name as the backbone or breadwinner of the family. If you fill in the wrong insurance product that you have becomes ineffective, the premiums paid so far will be in vain. As a result, if the breadwinner dies, the sum assured will not be disbursed. Education funds are important things that must be prepared early on as a proof of our love for the benefit of our children in the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe.